Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the VirtualBox for M1, M2 and M3 chip, silicon chip. So let's start without wasting our time. First of all, open any browser which you use. I generally use the Google Chrome, and on the search bar we need to type here VirtualBox download. Once you search the VirtualBox download, go to first official link of the VirtualBox, and inside here you will see the more options: Windows host, Mac OS Intel host, and Mac OS Apple Silicon host. So we are going to install the Apple Silicon in this video. Just click on that. If you are using the Intel one, you can look for the Intel one. I am going to okay, once you have click on the link, the URL page will be reloaded and it will start downloading process. Started download, you can see here. Now once it is downloaded guys, you just need to go to the location and you need to double click on it, and once you double click on it, the exe should be opening like this. You need to double click on the package here. Now continue. Install for all users on this computer. Just click on that, click on install. Now put the password. Install. Now it's installed. Now click on close and move to bin its package. Now let me go to the VirtualBox is showing here. Now once it has come up, you can see here you can make the new virtual machine as well inside here. Let me make the Windows 11. The location of the VirtualBox is showing up here. You can look for other option as well if you want to give another location of your preferred location. Leave the default location as it is. You can attach the ISO if you have inside your system, and once you select the ISO, the new virtual machine, you can type here and click on next option. Just give the RAM, how much RAM you want to give it, the maximum core you want to give it, the memory, then click on next option. Okay, so this is how guys you can install the VirtualBox for your M1, M2 and M3 chip. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.